In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your bills efficiently using the Pay Bills feature. This simple and intuitive process will ensure that you can manage your payments quickly and securely, all from the comfort of your own home. To start, you'll want to log into your online banking platform where the Pay Bills feature is located. This is often an option provided by many banks to facilitate a hassle-free way of settling your dues. Once you've navigated to the Pay Bills section, you'll be greeted with a list of your current bills that need attention. These might include utilities, credit card statements, or even personal invoices. Carefully review this list to ensure all necessary bills are up to date and ready for payment. This initial step is crucial as it allows you to maintain an organized approach to your finances, helping to avoid any late fees or missed deadlines. After you've reviewed the list, the next step is to select the bills you want to pay. Clicking on each bill will typically provide you with more details, such as the payment amount due, the due date, and the billing company's information. Take your time here to ensure that you understand all the particulars. Sometimes there might be options to pay the full amount or just a portion if you're managing a budget. Once sure of your selections, it's time to proceed with the ACH payment option, which stands for Automated Clearinghouse. ACH is a network used for electronic payments and money transfers, and it's incredibly reliable and secure for paying your bills. When you choose this option, you're opting for a direct bank-to-bank transaction, which is both efficient and cost-effective. Make sure to double check the details of the account you wish to use and confirm that funds are available. This subtraction from your bank balance might not be reflected instantly, so planning ahead is always a good strategy to manage your finances seamlessly. Finally, with the selections made and the payment options set, it's time to confirm the payment. This step is where you ensure that all the details align, amount, date, and payee information, before hitting that final confirmation button. Depending on your bank's interface, you might receive a confirmation screen or an email assuring you that the payment is scheduled and on its way. Consider setting up payment reminders or alerts to keep yourself informed about these transactions in real time and to maintain a record for future reference. Thank you for watching today's guide on using the Pay Bills feature. It's straightforward, but by following what we discussed, you're setting yourself up for successful and error-free payments each time. Stay tuned for more helpful tips in our upcoming videos.